Well, folks, it's time to kick it old school, so you can feel cool.
Hello everybody, and welcome to MakisToys. Now today we're going to be starting out with a shout out. Here we go. Now, after that shout out, cotton balls. My most viewed slime on the channel, cotton ball slime. So I'm going to remake it with, I don't know, maybe 1, 2, 3, probably 1, but a very easy way to do it. First you want to start out by shredding the cotton balls because, well, my first video didn't really work very well. I kind of just saturated the cotton balls in slime and didn't work. So you want to fluff them up as much as you can. One cotton ball sure does have a lot of, cotton in it, so you're not going to need like 10 cotton balls, maybe 2. 2 should be fine. 1 should even be fine, but I grabbed a whole bunch more just in case, and well, this is the big fluff pile. So, on to the next. So what we're going to want to do is put our glue, and well, I'm using the Crazy Art Crazy Slimy Creations. I always use this on my channel because, well, everyone does Elmer's, so might as well be a little different, you know what I mean? So, pour some into a cup, because I know this works, so I'm going to be using more than the experimental amount, but still not a huge amount, because it'll go a long way. So next step, food coloring. And then we're going to want to stir it up with whatever stirring device you're going to use. In my case is a chopstick, but well, actually this is the Slime Stir 5000, the new model. Okay, so this is your base. Now we're going to add some baking soda. Now I normally do baking soda and water, but I've been finding that it's been quite easier just to take some baking soda and just, oops. Like a small amount. That's a tiny little amount. That actually might be too much, but just drop it in and stir. This one does have a few clumps in it, which is kind of strange because even when I do put the clumps in there, they never seem to be an issue. So usually a good indicator that you can clean the cup out. The cup's relatively clean now. Now my first video I kind of just threw the cotton balls in, so what I'm going to do is just add a little at a time. Just put it on the outside of it. Actually, I'll just coat the outside of it with a very fine, well not fine, but you know, a thin amount of cotton. So this big old pile. See, it's kind of like, doesn't seem to be all that amazing, but it still feels quite well. And you can actually probably use it for like stress ball. Let's see if it bounces, maybe. Feels like it was bouncing. Yep, right out of shot. Oh yeah, the more you kind of get used to tossing it, so you could actually probably make like a cool little bouncy ball kind of thing. It looks cool. It doesn't look dumb, so you know, it's not like a, oh, this is a terrible slime. It's actually quite cool. Yeah.